How can we use the bridge as a teacher? One thing that we want to make an optimal sound on the cello is to have the bow move parallel to the bridge. Now from our perspective up here, this is quite tricky to see. From the front, you can easily see. But we can use the bridge as a teacher by sitting on top of it and finding the line that keeps us on the bridge for the whole length of the bow. And you might find that when you do it the first time, something like this would happen. You think, yeah, I can play on the bridge. Oh no, I can't here. And you're falling in all directions off the bridge. So if you do a couple of these, stay on the bridge and wait until you get the whole bow. Afterwards, you have the perfect line. To follow. Let me know what you think in the comments and make sure to follow me here for more bite-sized cello hacks.